Hi, and thanks for stopping by. I'm Jay with the Cooling and Plumbing Company, and I want to talk to you about water purification. In a minute, we'll talk about reverse osmosis systems. But for right now, we're going to talk about a water purification system that you can use on an ice machine. For ice machine applications, I recommend a 3-block water filtration system. They don't waste any water, they're point of use, so water comes in and water comes out, but they're very easy to maintain. This is a 3-block system. So a 3-block system has a carbon, a sediment, and a phosphate. Phosphate is the key to clean and clear water for ice cubes and drinking. Let's talk about filter changes. Before you get started, you need to make sure you have a wrench. Whether you have an open face wrench or a closed wrench, whichever your preference is. It wouldn't hurt to have a couple O-rings on hand and some lubricant as well. Now, maintenance is simple. Obviously, this unit will be underneath a sink or in a cabinet, and you'll have some water lines coming in and out, but there should be enough slack on that you should be able to access that. There also should be a shut-off valve so that you can shut this off. Once you have it shut off, you basically take this housing and you undo it. Once you have it undone, you'll take the filter out that's inside and you'll put your new filter in its place. Before you reinsert it, you'll want to make sure that the O-ring is in place and that there's enough lubricant on it. Then you'll just take this filter housing, put it back on the housing, tighten it down, and use the wrench to make sure it's in place where it belongs. You'll want to do that for all three, carbon, sediment, and phosphate. Once it's done, you can slowly turn the water back on and then bleed out the system to make sure that you don't have any water leaking. Always check for water spots at the connections of each housing, and that'll be it.